what's up YouTube fam? Brandon Weaver here once again. All right, how do I remove the original creditors after a charge-off? The original creditors are still showing a late payment. Yes, they will still show late payments. I got my comments right here, so put the comments down below and I can answer your questions right here and make you a video. Yes, the late payments will still be on there if you haven't disputed the entire account of the charge-off. When a charge-off is a charge-off account, it's charged off. The late payments is something that it's never going to really be positive if you were to dispute unverified late payments, even if for somehow, right, some reason, odd reporting issue, they got all turned into positive, which they couldn't be because it's a charge-off situation. The charge-off is still negative, so if a late payment change or got positive, it's a charge-off. You have to dispute the entire account and get it out of there. Typically, when you're dealing with late payments, you know, you got a few late payments, you've had good positive history before that, good positive history after that. You can dispute unverified late payments and or send goodwill letters to the creditor that you are currently with. You still have a, you know, good relationship or a decent relationship. They might be willing, and typically, I mean, from what I've seen, I've had goodwill adjustments, okay? So it's possible. You could do the same. You could dispute late payments with the late payment dispute letter. Unverified late payments with the 609 dispute letters. You've got goodwill letters, all in that Beyond Committed package at 609creditrepair.com. The difference of maintaining good positive history can be very, very important and very, very positive for your credit history. So, you know, get this charge off, yes, get that out of the way. But if you got some late payments, even if it's a closed account, see, sometimes people say, oh, it's closed and it's late payments. Maybe it was closed because you didn't want to keep it anymore, or they, you know, moved the supplier of that card, right? The issuer of that card, so it's moved or whatnot, or it's old and they closed it just because it wasn't active or whatever. There are other reasons why it could be closed besides being charged off. So if it's a positive closed account and you got a few late payments, you may want to get those updated to positive because that can really maintain good positive history. But again, if this is a late payment on original charge-offs, you want to get them out of there, okay? Now, with late payments, some people say, hey man, I got some late payments on my student loans. I want to do the same thing. Hey, same process. So you dispute the late payments, goodwill letters, all that good stuff. If you want to dispute unverified student loans as well, you can dispute unverified, negative, nasty, erroneous, inaccurate, and obsolete, outdated information, including your student loans, bankruptcies, foreclosures, hard inquiries, charge-offs. All of this stuff is available to you at 609creditrepair.com. Get that Beyond Committed package, or we can do the work for you at theawesomelifegroup.com. I want to help you get to the other side. Hit that subscribe, try button, that bell for notifications for the next time I go live. All right, I answer your questions on the live streams as well. We're having a great time on the weekends on the live stream. So please give the video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, try button, and until I see you in person, I will see you on the other side. Take care.